nothingness. So totally nothingness. Are you videotaping me?
No.
Good.
Maybe.
That broom weighs more, not the chair.
Yep, this broom definitely feels lighter than the thinking chair.
Liar!
So, weighs more,
I like being overtired.
but less.
So shit, almost, it is 2:43 in the morning. What do you think?
You know what, Steve, I bet I weigh more than you do.
Yeah.
You're an anorexic. I'm a terrible person.
Yes, you are. You probably hurt his feelings.
Shh, he found a clue.
We better write this down in our white
Notebook! Notebook. Notebook.
I can't wait for you
Don't
to see
look
this.
at me.
I can't wait for you to see all these videos.
Don't look at me. 0 plus 2 plus 9 is 11.
What? What?
You've got numbers. 0 plus 2 plus 9 is 11.
There's no numbers.
Milk time, milk.
Relax, my mom is sleeping, remember. I'm not sorry. Taylor, how do you feel?
Tipsy. Okay. Your dog is looking at us.
Who's gonna win at the staring contest? Okay.
Your dog is looking at you like I'm cracking.
Hey.
Sorry.
Mom.
Jelly, you guys woke me up?
Hi, Steve. We're getting fruit to make a fruit salad.
This is what you can't have tomorrow.
Okay.
Great salad.
Blue's Clues.